Yeah, whenever you get a question like this, they're asking you not to actually find the area. It's saying define the region. So if it says find the area, then that's how you know it's an integration question. If it says define the region, it's effectively asking you to find the equation of the line and find the equation of the curve. So look at these questions. They say, hold on. So this question here says define the region, but this question after also said define the region. The difference was this one was only 2 marks, but it was split. First, it was 3 marks to find the graph, 2 marks to find the quadratic. Um, Actually, no, the quadratic was given. That's why it was only 2 marks. This one was 5 marks because you had to find the line and the quadratic all in one, and then it continued to come up after year. Where this one it said, um, find the model of the quadratic. Maybe not that one, but it comes up a lot in year 13 as well. So if I just show you a few examples. In year 13, you get questions like this. They give you this and they say find the equation of the quadratic, and that's 3 marks. Again, define the region R. Basically, you have to find the quadratic and the line. So let's start with this one, and we'll see where we get to. The equation of the line, we'll start with that. We know that it goes through 0, 60 and 1080, so that's very, very straightforward. Y is equal to mx plus c. The gradient is 80 minus 60 divided by 10, so that's just 2. Y is equal to 2x plus c, and the y-intercept is 60, so the answer is y equals 2x plus 60. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Now we need to get the equation of the quadratic. It goes through 0 and 6, so y is equal to x minus 6, but you have to just put an a in front. Does that make sense?
Wait, why would you put the A in front?
Firstly, before I get to the a, do you know why you put the x and the x minus 6?
Um, no.
So what are these called? These are called factors, aren't they?
Yeah.
So if you know the factors of the quadratic, well, if you know the solutions of the quadratic are 0 and 6, the factors must be x minus 0 and x minus 6, right?
Yeah.
So does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Cool. And then the a is there because we don't really know whether it's been stretched or not. So technically, I could do a quadratic like this, or like this, or like this. We don't know, right?
Hmm.
We don't know which one it is. We don't know how stretched it's been.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, out of all of these different quadratics, um, they all go through 0 and 6, but we don't know whether it's been stretched or not in terms of in terms of y, yeah, because we don't know what the minimum point is. So what we need to do is we just need to write it as x minus 6 with an a in the front. We can work out the a. All we need to do, it's the same method as working out the plus c. We just sub in a pair of coordinates that we know is definitely on the graph. So we know that 1080 is on the graph. Just sub that in. 80 equals 10. Sorry. 80 equals a. 10. 10 minus 6. So a equals 2. Y equals a. X minus 6. Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. The region R is below the line and above the quadratic, so our final answer is R is less than or equal to the line, so it's 2x plus 60, and more than or equal to the quadratic, which is 2x x minus 6. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to give you another one that links.